So, how do we secure our freedom? I would say we start by rebuilding Africa's culture of open conversations. Let our classrooms become places of dialogue, not obedience. Let our universities welcome thoughtful debates, not punish dissenters. Let our media ask difficult and hard questions and not just protect fragile egos of politicians and leaders. Let our influencers, which we have many, use their voice to spark thoughtful conversations, debates, and not silence it. Disagreement, it's not division. No, it's actually democracy, which African communities have always had. And the more we talk, the more we grow as a people.